You can now query I90 programming unit data interactively. For example, here we have the El Duero plant, a hydro unit owned by Iberdrola. We can switch it. Let's pick another Iberdrola unit. We can also search by technology like combined cycle. Let's pick Repsol's plant in Algeciras, see how fast it loads. We can zoom into a specific section of the data. We can even query up to 12 months back. It pulls the data from my backend database, which is optimized to run super fast across millions of rows. And the charts you see here are also interactive. If you click on a day, you get the hourly breakdown for that day. We also have other notebooks that analyze by technology or by company. And over here we have a playground where you can query the data directly via SQL. I can give you access to the URL so you can adapt this solution to your own database queries.